We got two markets right now. One is all about momentum. The other is all about old-fashioned growth. Momentum is nasty right now. Classic growth, well, it is cruising.
House of pleasure.
Regardless of the fundamentals. These cross currents are not readily apparent when you look at the average. Dow tumbling 749 points. S&P plunging 1.71%. NASDAQ, geez, plummeting 2.2%. Now, if you own too much momentum, you are gasping for air. The oxygen has been turned off for you. If you own the old tried and true secular growth plays and are diversified, I'm talking about the Johnson & Johnson, the Coca-Colas, your portfolio is actually doing pretty well. First time those stocks have worked in ages. So we got to figure out, will this chasm heal or will it grow ever wider? And for that, you know what we have to do? We have to turn to our game plan for next week, which has an important mixture of corporate earnings and economic news. Now, Monday starts with Domino's Pizza, DPC, which could give us real insight into the possible weakening of the consumer. By the way, that's the proximate cause of today's hideous market.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.